Sentences with who, whose, and how. Welcome to Manushri and Malla tutorial. Sentences with who. Who are you?
I am your new classmate.
Who won the race?
I won the race.
Who wants some food?
I want some food.
Who is your friend?
He is my friend.
Who is that lady?
She is my teacher.
Sentences with whose. Whose ball is this?
This is my ball.
Whose friend is she?
She is my friend.
Whose bag is this?
This is Tom's bag.
Whose idea is it?
It is my idea.
Whose phone is this?
This is Tom's phone.
Sentences with how. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 5 years old.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
How many brothers do you have?
I have 2 brothers.
How was your exam?
It was easy.
Let's learn how to use what, where, and when. Sentences with what. What are these?
These are my birthday gifts.
What time is it?
It is 4 o'clock.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my brother to arrive.
What is your name?
My name is Kelly.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Sentences with where. Where are my books?
It is in the cupboard.
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
Where is the nearest playground?
It is 10 minutes far away.
Where is the rat?
The rat is in the shoe.
Where is the party?
The party is at my house.
Sentences with when. When do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
When do you play?
I play after the school.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 6 November.
When are you free?
I am free in the evening.
When are you going home?
I will go home on Thursday.
Follow for more videos.
Please like, share and subscribe.